Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Sam. Guys, we've got some really fun things here today. So this is the Tusk tool box that also has all the tools included. We're gonna do a box opening and also give you what we like about them and what we don't like about them. All right, guys. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscription button. Really helps us out. We plan on doing a ton of dirt bike content. We want you guys to be involved, help steer us in the direction of where you want the channel to go, doing bike reviews, product reviews, anything and everything dirt bike related. We're just normal dudes that love to ride as much as we can. And, you know, obviously fixing your bike is a huge part of that. Having tools to be able to fix your bike is a big part of that. So we got our hands on the Tusk toolbox. Now this thing's got tons of different options, so you can pick the color of the toolbox. You can even do a custom graphics kit on your toolbox as well. All there from the Rocky Mountain ATV website. Click on the link. If you guys buy something, we get a small commission. It helps us out to buy, you know, more you know, parts, dirt bike stuff, and you know, toolboxes for the channel. All right, guys, this is a 129-piece toolkit specifically for dirt bikes. We'll go through all the different tools it's got in here. We're gonna just open these up really quick and see what's inside. Now, it came in 2 boxes. I'm not 100% sure why. My guess is this is the box and these are all the tools, so you're gonna have to put them all in. They don't come that way from the factory. As you guys can see, we're in our shop here. This is where we actually manufacture and put together our snow groomers, and so we've got a ton of tools, but we're always, you know, pumped to get more tools. So on top, I got this ratchet spark plug wrench that was just on top of all of this, so let's throw that there. There's a box inside of a box. Oh, there's the first box. So my guess is this looks like it has everything already in the foam. So here's the wrenches here, and then there's also, you know, these looks like spark plug wrenches and stuff, or sockets. So these are all individual, already in the foam. So we'll cut all these out here without cutting the foam too much. Try not to get in there too deep. So this one, we'll do close-ups on all this as well. It's got, you know, I mean, everyone needs a mallet just to hit stuff with, right? So I was worried these were gonna come in like individual like pieces and we'd had to put them all in the foam, which would have been super annoying, but it looks like they're already pre-packaged in the foam. So this one's got, like, for tire changing, it's got 2 spoons and then their bigger spoon there. I actually use this setup all the time for changing tires. So there's that one. And then I think this must be the actual sockets. So here's the sockets. So if you guys could see that here, like it comes in, and this foam is really nice and it's feel like it's holding it in together. So I'm a big fan of that so far. Okay, and here's the actual box. I actually do not remember what color I got, so this is a surprise for me too. So this box is actually, feels pretty solid. It's actually really heavy. So I got the black, and it's actually really cool. The matte black is awesome. This is really awesome. I actually, you know, so far I really like all the way the tools are. I do wish that they'd give us another couple 10 millimeters. So when we lose those, you'll have them. Really like, it looks really good. We've kind of had, so with some of the tools from Tusk, some of them have been great, some of them have not been so great. I'm expecting these to be a higher quality. You will see as we go down and try to use these with, you know, fixing our bikes. I love the fact that you have bike specific things to be able to just pull up, you know, if you're working in your garage, you have all your tools there. You're not trying to search through, you know, your big tool chest or your garage for all the right tools. If you're like me, you know, we have lots of different tools, and, you know, obviously here in the shop we've got, you know, hundreds and hundreds of different tools for trying to do different things, not specific to dirt bikes. So we spend a lot of time wandering around when we got dirt bikes in here trying to fix things. So we really wanted to get this toolkit with the tool chest, I guess, to be able to, you know, have all the dirt bike stuff here. So we're really excited about it. We really like it. There's a few things like, you know, closing this sometimes does weird things. I'm not a big fan like of this feels kind of chintzy and not super awesome. You know, but locking it so, you know, your buddies don't steal your tools is always a good idea. The bottom one opens without locking it, but the top you unlock, then these ones open, which I don't like as well. Maybe I'm just doing something wrong. Now the big question is it worth the money? So, you know, these aren't necessarily the cheapest thing, but you also got to think, if you priced out all of these, you know, tools specifically for your dirt bike, it's going to be much more expensive. Because, you know, the $449.99, so $450 price tag is a lot for just tools. But, you know, I'm sure you're asking yourself, you know, I already have tools, you know, do I need it? Not necessarily, but it's really nice to be able to just have a dirt bike related toolkit. You know, we have that in our bags when we're out riding single track or something like that, so we have specific tools for out on the trail. Now you have specific tools for in the garage or the shop to be able to fix your bike. You're going to have to decide if it's worth the $450 to get this whole kit, but overall I give it a thumbs up. We're really excited to use it, and, you know, we'll use these tools, and as we use them, if we break anything, we'll let you know. The one good thing is I do feel like Rocky Mountain, you know, with their Tusk brand, if something breaks, they'll replace it. So far, they've been really good. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is $450 too much for an entire, you know, tool chest with all the tools in it specific to your dirt bike? Yes or no? Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.